Hi, to activate auto brightness on your Vivo V40, as a first step, we need to find and open settings. So I'm gonna swipe up to open my drawer and here select the settings. Now after that, go in the display and brightness tab. And the first thing we can do is to adjust brightness manually by dragging the slider. And now we can see adaptive brightness as well. So now it is disabled because it's gray and we can enable it by tapping on the switcher. And now you can see how the brightness changes. So basically adaptive brightness means that the brightness of your screen will adjust depending on the lighting around you. And to reach this feature easily, you can simply swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here you'll see this brightness section. You can adjust it manually, and also if you tap on the A icon, you will disable or enable this feature. If it's blue, then it is enabled. If it's gray, then disabled. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.